Okay. I am making a very quick and a very rough video only to understand the tabulation which I have made for Ashtakvarga, so that maybe even I don't forget what I've done. So I'm sharing the screen now. Yeah, hope you can see the screen now. So basically, this right hand side, what you see is what will finally be the output. These two charts I've put over here just to supplement what I'm saying. Okay. So if I just zoom in over here, what it comes out as, if you know Ashtakvarga, the 8 components which are there, ascendant and the 7 planets, uh, they have their own varga or so Ashta 8 varga, and basically Ashtakvarga is used to find out how a transit of a specific planet in a specific Rashi, etc., is going to give good or bad results. Okay. So if you know the Vinnashtakvarga, which is used, or it's also called Prasarakvarga, basically each Rashi is divided into 8 parts, and uh, so 7 planets and ascendant have been given the uh, zones. So if you see here, 0 to 3 degrees 45 minutes is given to Saturn, from 3:45 to 7:30 to Jupiter, so on and so forth. So actually 7 planets into 8 varga, so many boxes will be made. So now I've just combined all of that into one shot over here. So over here, you will see the Prastarak work of all the 7 planets. Now, how you have to read it basically is a little difficult. So trying to document that. Okay. If you see here, the Prastarak work of Saturn, in this case, which happens to be my chart, is giving a positive hit in the moon varga. So it will be basically 22.3 to 26.5 in the first Rashi. So if you see R1, you will not see Saturn anywhere over here, but you will see Saturn over here. Similarly, if you see the Prastarak, we are just looking at Prastarak of Saturn, so just see the brown over here. In the second Rashi, Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, okay, Varga mein it is going to give. So if you see, it is giving Saturn, it is giving Jupiter, and it is giving Sun. It is not giving any of the others. So what this basically is trying to say is, it is the other way of looking at it. If, let us say, Saturn is passing through this Varga in the second Rashi, that it is passing through the second Rashi between 0 and 3 degree 45 minutes, then it will give a positive outcome. Plus, it has got 1, 2, 3, 4 bindus over there. So that will also give a benefit to, like over here, it's got only 2. Now, once it passes from there, from 3:45 to 7:30 slot, again it will be a benefit. Okay. So on and so forth. Here it is not giving any benefit result. Here it will give benefit, so on and so forth. So if you see the live case just now, and a similar thing is that for sun. So all these have been computed based on the scriptures. The sun basically gives, if you see this yellow, not the sun, this yellow square. So in this, Sun will give a positive thing, Mars will give, Jupiter will give, and Venus, Mercury will give when they are passing through here. So just now, if you see, Sun is passing through Rashi number one, and it is 8 degree 26 seconds. So basically, it is between 7:30 and 11:50. So it is here, Sun. Hello, 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 hello. 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 Basically, if you see this, the sun, since it is passing through this, where it has a sun bindu, it will give a positive thing. Similarly, if you see Mars over here, hello, basically, if you see another example of Mars, if you see this is a Buddha chart. Transiting Mars is in the fourth Rashi. Okay. And transiting Mars is in 7 degree 37 minutes. So 7:37 will be in this slot, the Mars slot. And here, if you see, Saturn is giving positive, Jupiter is giving, Mercury is giving positive, Moon is giving positive, Sun is giving positive, and Mars is also giving positive. So Mars will give a positive outcome when it is passing through this phase. So that is how this is to be read. So all the seven planets, seven Prastarak worlds have all been put together in one go.